So you ready for some speed pop punk from Indianapolis, Indiana, USA? Sure you are. The remote controls, too tough. Those the brass knuckles on the baby. Hey group, welcome to Action Rock Corner. I'm your host, Richard May. Interesting cover. 14 songs, 24 minutes. This ain't Prague, people. Couple reviews mention the same bands. So if you like these bands, you may like the remote controls. Sloppy Seconds, The Careers, Descendants, maybe Screeching Weasel. Yeah, I guess. What? I was afraid to make this, for, if you love these bands, comparison, because it would expose me as a punk poser. Green Day sounds a lot like a speedier Green Day. It does. And then I'm doing my homework and they got a track on a Green Day tribute record. I nailed it. So, nice trio. And it's their second full-length record. Fourth release, though. The guy EP. How can you... Not even 4-minute EP. It's basically a single, but they call it EP. 2 songs, and their songs sip. And there's a split with another band from Italy. Yeah, they're in Indiana in the United States, but they did a split with a band in Italy. I kept one song from the album that spoke to me, and another song they released as a single that's a political protest song. But it still is pop punk in a hurry. 1 minute and 9 seconds for their protest song. Civil Disobedience. 69 seconds. I'm sure they did that by accident. The song from the album I kept is Comment Section. I run a few groups, a few online groups, and so I gotta police the comment section. And so I know what they're talking about with comment section of people who don't know their head from a hole in the ground. And I got to keep the peace. So that song of theirs, comment section, spoke to my daily experience being the administrator, grown up, when I take the shades off. So I connected with that song. And the other 13 songs, I'm sure many of you will connect with. One song I'm surprised I did not choose to keep. The Fuckiest Uppiest. How could I turn that down? It's a quick song. Includes a little encouragement, per se, from producer or engineer, whoever is speaking to them through the intercom of the recording section. So, but All the songs are good. Ain't no ballads. Doesn't get sentimental. And, okay, the one about a ship sinking. Yeah, that's a little bit sentimental. But it still is speed pop punk, and so it sips along. That one comes in at over 2 minutes. I didn't see if it's a cover or not, because it doesn't seem like what they normally would write about. Not that I know what they normally write about. This is the only album I know. But I like it. And I was confused. Where did I learn about the remote controls? Because I've been on a streak of nat punk lately. But then when I'm doing my homework, oh yeah, they did a gig with another band that I reviewed a week or so ago, a Cleveland band called Whatever. And the remote controls played at that gig with Whatever at the Happy Dog. You ever in Cleveland, or you have a chance to play a gig in Cleveland, and hey, you want to play at the Happy Dog? Play at the Happy Dog. It's a nice place to play, nice place to see a band. Small place. And the name is not by accident. Great hot dogs, great veggie dogs, and great tater tots. Not much else on the menu, but you want to put egg in your hot dog, you go to the Happy Dog. You want Cheerios or whatever. There's all kinds of stuff. They got a whole list of stuff, of condiments, to put on your all beef. It is all beef hot dog. Not even allowed beef anymore. You get old, and then you get the clue of, okay, no, really, you can't have that. But the veggie dogs are great. I love the Happy Dog. I should go back there soon. I love that place. I made it clear these guys are from Indianapolis, Indiana. Can we name a major band or even a cult band that came out of Indianapolis, Indiana, USA? It doesn't occur to me. Remote controls. Good enough. I'm sure I went over their general enough. Good production, good mix, ain't no ballads. Since Green Day does occur to you, yes, the young ladies in your life can listen to this with you. It's not too macho. It is on YouTube. Excuse me. It is on YouTube, so go check it out. And as I said, their song Civil Disobedience, it's a song about opposing the current regime in the United States, presidential occupant, starting wars and killing civilians with his ICE police and whatever else. So I think it was after the 2 people were killed in Minnesota is when they wrote and released Civil Disobedience. Good song. I like that song. Even though it only lasts 69 minutes. 69 seconds. 69 minutes would be space rock or psych or something cool. Not that. This is cool too. At 69 seconds. If you like this video, give it a like. Subscribe to Axe Red Corner, ring the notification bell, and go listen. to the remote controls with a brass knuckle baby. Too tough. Go listen. Well, I'm going to take a half hour of your life. Come back. And what do you think? And for the latest in action rock, high energy rock, garage, punk, psych, stoner, and classic legacy bands. Anything really rocks, we'll have it for you. Thank you for watching. Remember, have fun with your music. This is fun. It sounded like it was a good show at the Happy Dog I missed. Darn. We'll see you again soon.